So, hello. This started, I just gave this dude food, and then everyone started surrounding me and this guy. And apparently he's pretending that he's homeless.
It's that bunny.
The bunny.
Bunny.
Smart Cookie 678.
He's homeless, guys. He's homeless.
So I said I gave him food, and then he's like, thank you, and then people started surrounding him. They're leaving now. But they said it's this buddy.
It was a whole mob.
You saw the mob a couple of minutes ago, and then everyone, there's like a couple of people over here were eavesdropping. He left.
Homeless dude disappears.
Okay.
Alright, everyone has to give him stuff now.
Yes, everyone give him stuff and send him jamagrams.
Yes,
That
nothing.
is awesome.
He's a homeless dude.
Yes.
Wink, wink.
I clicked on this guy.
This dude gave him water, while Spyro the Gamer gave him food.
Good.
Him or her, I don't know. I'm Panda Wolf 112, by the way.
I'm Spyro the Gamer 602. And this is a group video.
Yeah.
This is the girl that was eavesdropping and pretending not to listen.
Yeah, only she was a different animal at the time.
She was this one.
Yeah. Hi, Diva. Remember not to say your name, little one.
Hey, what's this? Highly wet.
Blah, 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 blah. Oh. Yawn. Oh, they're totally going to say yes.
They're totally going to say yes. I'm going to do this. And a bunch of other trashy things.
The clover. Bah, humbug.
Humbug, where the heck?
I don't know.
Okay, this has happened forever. People sit here, right, and they never accept it.
No, no,
Last
no,
couple, it took for hours.
Yes, they do take forever. Like, 15 years later.
I'm a non-member, but here we go.
Hi.
See? It's
Oh, wow, a major cool pirate.
can't buy it though.
No.
And then all the other cool animals.
You have 5 gems or diamonds at least. If you had 5 gems, then that would be sad. I meant sapphires or diamonds or whatever.
See, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, there's no flower armor. It looks cool, some of it. But the hat, the helmet, honestly looks like a Joker's hat made out of petals.
Let's check this. So awesome. Anyway.
Sure.
Oh my gosh, this is
Joker!
See, there's something messed up right there. They dance on top of the name tag.
I know. Problems. They've got problems.
See, they're trying it out. See, look how high they go.
Yeah.
And their jump is wimpy though.
Yeah. Yes. And I will be soon doing a giveaway. Soon. And like during my mail time video, I'll be talking about a giveaway. So be sure to watch that.
I love role players.
I know, they're so fun.
I role play a lot. Sometimes. Depends.
Spyro the Gamer role plays. Don't judge her. I sometimes too, but that's only to find other role players and to have fun with them. Because role players, they always have fun. It's like, the weird things they come up with is just amazing. Trust me.
I'm going to Awesome Purple Pizza's den.
Awesome Purple Pizza? What the?
Because she has a tiger clan here. And I'm a big fan of Warrior Cats, so.
Warrior Cats by Aaron Hunter. Check out the series. And if you're into dogs, look up Survivors by Aaron Hunter. Or Bears by Aaron Hunter. There's a series, and they're long. So if you don't like reading, then don't try it.
What's that? I like that. I like the moonstone thing.
You got it from like Easter or something, I think.
I didn't get anything good from Easter.
If you hear any weird background things, it's because Diva is watching Pocahontas. So if you hear some like Indians or something in the background, that is not us. We're no Indians.
I'm a tiger and I want to eat you. Rah, rah, rah.
Don't be weird. Alright, well, I'm gonna go for now. See you later.
Bye.